Sidus Space is one of those charts that can look tempting because it's already pulled back so much, but honestly, that's exactly where traders get themselves into trouble. Just because the stock has fallen doesn't automatically mean it's ready to bounce. Right now, the chart still looks like it's trying to find a bottom rather than beginning a new trend higher. The recent price action tells me sellers are still controlling the short term structure. We've seen multiple attempts to recover, but every bounce has struggled to build any real follow through. That's usually a sign buyers are still hesitant, and until that changes, I'm not interested in forcing a position. The support level around the current lows is definitely worth watching because if buyers can continue defending that area and start building higher lows, then maybe we begin seeing a proper base develop. What I'd really like to see after that is a reclaim of the nearest resistance with stronger volume. That's the type of confirmation that tells me institutions are becoming interested again. On the other hand, if support breaks and volume expands to the downside, then I'd expect another leg lower before demand finally shows up. That's why catching the exact bottom isn't part of my strategy. I prefer waiting for confirmation because it usually leads to much higher probability trades. For me personally, this setup is interesting, but it's still early. I don't think the risk to reward is attractive until buyers actually prove they're capable of changing the trend. The stock needs to earn back confidence before I'd consider becoming aggressive. Right now, my bias stays neutral. I'm watching for signs of accumulation, but until those signs appear, patience is probably the best position to have. If you want my exact execution framework and the setups I'm personally watching before market open, it's inside the Patreon, link in the description.